Hello friends, today's topic is clock. Now the question is, what is the angle between the minute hand and hours hand of a clock at 5:30? Okay, so what is the angle between the two hand of the clock? Now options are these. इसके लिए एक छोटी सी ट्रिक है. What is the formula is 11 multiply minute minus 60 multiply hours and divided by 2. This is the short formula, and by this formula we will get our answer. Now what is 11? 11 and what is the minute is 30. So we will multiply this by 30 minus now 60 multiply what is the hour hand, that is 5. Okay, and this will be divided by 2. Now solve this. 11 multiply 3 is 33, so 0 will be there, 330 minus 6 multiply 5 is 30 and 0 will be there, 300. Now divided by 2. First you will just subtract 330 minus 300 is 30 degree and now divided by 2. So your angle. Similarly, the other question is, what is the maximum angle made by the hands of a clock inclined at 20 minutes past 3? So what is the time in the clock? That is 3:20. That is 3:20. Now there is two type of angle, interior angle and exterior angle. Now first you must know about interior and exterior angle. Like this is a clock. This is a clock. Now and that is 9 and our time is 3. So our hand will be on 3 and this is 4. So our minute hand will be on 4. This is your 3:20 time. And the interior angle is this inside angle and the outer angle, this is called your exterior angle. This is called your exterior angle and this angle is called your interior angle. Okay, so here is the maximum. This exterior angle will be the maximum and this is the minimum. Okay, so now we will start our question. We will use the same formula here, like 11 multiply minute minus 60 multiply hour and divided by 2. So here what is our minute is 20. So 11 multiply 20 minus 60 multiply what is our hour is 3 and divided by 2. So now solve it. 11 2s are 22 and 0 will be there minus 6 3s are 18 and 0 will be there and divided by 2. Now subtract this. 220 minus 180 is 40 and divided by 2, that will be 20 degree. So this angle, interior angle will be 20 degree. But we find maximum angle. Now maximum angle will be maximum angle. You know that this whole round, one round is equal to 360 degree and this is your 20 degree. So your exterior angle will be 360 degree minus 20 degree. That will be 340 degree. So our maximum angle will be 340 degree. I hope you understand the concept. Now this question you have to find and tell me your answer in comment box. Okay, have a nice day.